Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, Jessica here. Welcome to another fantastic walking tour. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. It would mean the world to me. Today, I'm so excited to take you along on this beautiful journey to explore the exotic beaches of Bahia, Brazil. From the turquoise blue waters to the beautiful sunset views and goldens, and it's a paradise one should definitely visit. The vibrant and colorful culture of Bahia will take your breath away and make you want to come back again and again. Let's join together in this amazing adventure and explore Bahia as we stroll along its exotic beaches. From the lively markets to captivating lagoons, and possibly even a boat trip or two, we have it all here. Even the natural attractions that Bahia has to offer are second to none. With so much to explore, let's get started. I really hope you enjoyed this tour. If you liked it and want to stay updated, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks again for joining me. See you in the comments.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!